Siemens is now offering an harmonized manufacturing operation management software portfolio under one name, Siemens Opcenter. Opcenter is the result of an evolution of our technologies, where we brought on the one side industry content, on the other side leading-edge technology and solution to be more competitive and agile.
Siemens MES and all of the entire Siemens Opcenter is a key and cornerstone of the digitalization in manufacturing. So I truly see Siemens Opcenter being a vital part of the future within Danfoss in how we progress on this.
With Siemens Opcenter, we have implemented a new way of experiences the tools, a unified, harmonized and configurable user interface across all the portfolio, which is adaptable to any rules in the manufacturing, no matter whether workers on the line, supervisors, or manager who needs to take easy decision analyzing data.
Siemens Technology is providing us global efficiency from end to end. We are reducing the lead time from our suppliers, which in turn allows us to reduce the lead time to our customers. By linking different technologies together, we have an internal flow that not only increases efficiency, but also decreases the work in progress. This closed-loop process generates value for our customers.
Important to say is this Opcenter is cloud-ready. It can be deployed depending on the requirements, completely on cloud, or on-premise, or with a mixed approach. That's, of course, to meet best the requirements of our customers. And with our broader Siemens portfolio, Opcenter is also leveraging other technology that Siemens is bringing to market. The IIoT, the Edge, but also the other portfolio elements which help Opcenter provide a better use of the data to create analytics and to support the decision-making process. As part of our broader picture, Siemens Opcenter is also implementing the closed loop of data, meaning we're taking the data from the manufacturing and use them to compare with the data of the planning so that you can understand what has worked and what has not worked, improve the innovation cycle, be quicker and faster to the market, or to implement change requests in a more efficient way. In a nutshell, with Opcenter, we help our customer reduce the cost, improve the quality, be more agile to go to market and of course quicker. That's where today meets tomorrow.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.